What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. This time we're gonna be quickly talking on what to do if you want to sell your phone. So you know, there's probably plenty of reasons why you'd be selling your phone, maybe upgrading, and you know, you have a lot of apps, a lot of data, loads of documents as well that you'd like to get rid of. Now the first thing would be to back up the device. I'm not gonna kind of cover the whole process of backing up your phone. The best thing would be probably to plug it to your PC and then look for some sort of an application that allow you to back up. There's plenty of videos for that. But what I'd like you to focus on, and what I'm going to be talking here, is really how to remove the account from your device. So if a person you're selling it to will kind of, you know, start installing apps and maybe using it, they won't be locked completely, because there is a kind of protection that Google is using, something similar that Apple's used, so kind of find my iPhone and lock my iPhone kind of feature, something similar to that, and it's really the Google account. So before you sell your device, I would definitely recommend step number one would be to remove all the accounts from the device, and the best way to do it is just to go to settings, accounts and backup, go to accounts and just delete all those accounts that you have here. Now the most important one would be the Google one, because this will definitely lock the device if the new person's trying to purchase it. So I definitely lock this. Now I also remove all the accounts as well, and once you do it, you'd definitely like to back up your device too. So you could click on backup data and you could select what exactly you want to back up, so that's something separate to think about. Also Smart Switch allows you to back up all your data to a PC, so maybe something to consider. But once you delete all the accounts, definitely wiping the device would be the next step, and the best way would be a kind of a hard reset that's going to do it. So if you want to do that, you just go back to settings, look for general management, and then reset, and then you'd have factory data reset. So reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps, so everything will be wiped. If you click on that, it's going to give you the list and everything that's going to be wiped, basically putting the device to factory settings. And this is what I'd recommend before selling your device. Shouldn't take more than 10-20 minutes to do it, and then you're kind of safe that whoever is getting the device won't have any weird locks on your phone with maybe your Google account. So anyway, I hope that helped, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions. I hope you've enjoyed your day. See you in the next one.